Hi guys, have a very good day. I know that you all want a good stuff and a fat trunk, but it's really a time consuming matter. So you can try Tanuki or Phoenix Graft. I posted a video before some weeks about it, and you can find it in my previous video list. So today we are going to discuss briefly about Tanuki. For a good Tanuki, obviously we have to select a good deadwood. Always search a hardwood to make Phoenix Graft. The soft deadwood usually rotten after some years, so go with the hardwood. Usually from the nature you can collect all these kinds of woods, or you can buy it from online, though it's very expensive. Usually from nature you can collect some deadwoods which is a beautiful character of roots or beautiful branching. With good roots and branching in a single piece can really found hardly. So you have to select the best movement of your creation. If your deadwood emphasizing the root segment, then disclose it at the front, and for the beautiful branches, don't cover it by the living tree. Then you have to set up the living branches just to emphasize the dead branches, but not cover them. I told you before that a bonsai artist do nothing but cover up the demerits of a tree and emphasize the beautiful parts, curves and movements as the front. Well, here I collected some deadwoods with a beautiful branch or trunk segments, but unfortunately I couldn't get root segments here because it's dead branches or dead trunk part of a tree. And now I got some beautiful root structures in this one, but it has no attractive branching in it. So I have to graft the living tree, but that the beautiful root structure can be covered up. Because here I have to emphasize the attractive dead roots only, And in that too, guys, I got the beautiful branching and the root structure both in a single piece. Here the branch placement and the root structure, the nibari, and it will be the front because the beautiful root structures and the attractive branch movement, and the trunk part is also very beautiful from that direction. Maybe I had to grab 2 or 3 living trees with it. And now one thing, always select evergreen trees for your Tanuki, but not the deciduous variety. If you follow up the nature carefully, you can't find any deciduous tree with old deadwoods, because the wooden part of a deciduous variety is usually very soft than the evergreen. So they all are easily rotten within some years. And obviously your bonsai should be the miniature form of the nature. Yeah, here is the front part. I grafted 2 living trees here. So always use evergreen trees to graft your deadwoods, and conifers is the best. This here is another one. Yeah, here it is. It has a beautiful curve on the deadwood. I grafted 2 junipers here. It will be good one in future, no? Maybe it will be the front. It's more beautiful than the back one. I will graft a tree here, and this deadwood will be in the front. Here I can graft. It will be the good. Now I have to make the channel to graft the living tree on the deadwood. I'm using a Dremel round nose bit, and always use this kind of eye covered glass for this job, you know. Now to change the drill bit, because I want some more depth, you know, so I have to use this kind of bit. Yeah, this one, this round hit, and it was a pointed hit. now I can get more depth in this channel by this kind of round headed beats, you know. This channel. The leading tree will come from the backward and it will go by this channel. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Actually, in the second part I will graft the tree in this delude. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye bye, tata, ciao ciao.